sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
We rented a car and we are out of Geneva. We did not see Geneva at all, but we will see it on our last day. Where are we going, Kyle?
Luzern.
Okay, Kyle. How can we stay here forever? What's our plan?
Don't know.
I'll get a job at the restaurant over there.
I'll get Starbucks.
Okay. That's good.
Savannah, let's all take a ride.
We are in Luzern, sitting on the river. It's so beautiful, and we love it. We don't want to leave.
Hannah's found her new favorite city.
I can't believe this is a real place. This looks like the clock from like Shrek.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lane. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
It's like 6 o'clock, 6:30, and he's wanting to go to sleep. That was so good. Oh my gosh, it's so sweet. Okay, what do you think?
Whoa. Very sweet.
Right?
Very good.
Just me and my tomato in the mountains of Switzerland. Thank you, Fred. Thank you, Heidi. You grow delicious tomatoes. Delicious. Absolutely good. Kyle's here. Come here, Kyle. What's up? Here we are. We're gonna do the drone for sunset. It's gonna be awesome.
Didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am.
love Switzerland again. Kyle's flying his drone. We have a lot of switchbacks that we're about to get to, and it's gonna be freaking amazing. We are on our way to Sion, and then we're gonna take a bus and a train and I don't even know what else to get to our hotel in Verbier, and we cannot wait. We just returned our rental car. Almost there, but we talked to some nice lady who helped us out. And now we have to walk about a mile to the train station.
We're in the top floor, I want to read. I think. Hopefully. That looks nice back there.